Now we're ready to import the background music. Command Tab, get that Finder on top. This is actually copyright free in that, actually I can't say that. It's either copyright free music or it's something I made myself in GarageBand. That's another tutorial. Now this is going to be great in that it fills in all the gaps, adds another sort of like a layer to our story, and you know, any little mouth clicks or anything like that, or a door closes, it helps get rid of that. So turn it way down, try to 8%. Make sure it doesn't distract from the narration. Hello, my name is Sean. I come from Canada, land of the mighty moose. Fantastic. We all love them. You see, it's a nice thing too, between speaking parts, it sort of adds, like I said, a layer to it, some more emotion. The more the senses you can involve, the better any piece of communication will be. Let's zoom out. And now you can see, you don't want that to go on forever, so you bring it to the end here. You can also, if you like, fade in and fade out. This double arrow here with a line is for making it longer or shorter. If you go over this white one, however, there are two little triangles. That is fade in, fade out.